Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have our KINSMART 1955 Ford Thunderbird for unboxing and reviewing. So this is one of the classics which was ruling the vehicle industry in 1955, and it was one of the two-seater convertible which took a amazing hit in the market since 1938, and it's really nice from what it has been built with. The curves are very amazing. You can see the undersmooth of the car. It's written KINSMART and it's given 1955 Ford Thunderbird badge here, so you can see it, and the detailing is so awesome. And it has the opening doors, as it's a product of KINSMART, so they have a very good detailing similar to RMZ City. And as said, it has the pull back action. Oh, it's nice. You can see even the details in the front and how it has been made. It's really classic, sort of an American muscle look like. You can see the back wheel scoops and the rear tail light. It's got a 1955 badge of its production year. And the interiors are also awesome. It is really nice. The bonnet scoop is amazing. So Thunderbird 1955 by Ford was more of a driver oriented car. It focused on giving comfort to driver rather than speed, so it was not a direct rival to the Corvette or other European cars. So this is the DIECAST model of 1955 Thunderbird from KINSMART. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe Turboshift official. Thank you.